god, I do!
Oh my god, yay!
Oh my god, I'm gonna start crying. Right here, I'll do that. Yeah!
Bruh!
Aww!
Show
Yes! Did I cry? I said yes!
Oh.
Oh my gosh! This is the first picture already! Oh, yes! Yes, I mean...
So cute!
Welcome to my ASMR channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you my bridesmaid proposal.
So that was basically me giving my bridesmaids their bridesmaids boxes, and I'm so happy that they loved them. I wish that all of my bridesmaids lived a lot closer, but some of them are in different cities. One of them's in a different state, the other one's out of the country, so it's kind of hard to get them all together at the same spot at the same time. This is my bridesmaids gift box. Some people also call it proposal box. I guess it just depends on what you want to call it. I was lucky to team up with Cricut on this one, and if you guys haven't heard of Cricut or Cricut Maker, it's like this crazy crafting ultimate machine that can cut through so many different materials like balsa wood, vinyl, iron-on, fabric, leather, cardstock, and I'm pretty sure a lot of other things. But I've been using it and I've been really excited because I can use it for all of my other wedding DIYs, my bachelorette party. But anyways, we are doing a giveaway for this Cricut Maker. So if you are a bride-to-be and you want to DIY your wedding, make sure you sign up for the giveaway. Or if you're just like a crazy crafter who loves to make stuff and anything with all this material, make sure you sign up for the giveaway. Or if you know someone who loves to craft or a bride-to-be, then you should be an angel and sign up for them, and hopefully you can gift it to them. But yeah, just make sure you guys sign up for the giveaway. I'll leave all of the information in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And I think that's about it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, that notification bell, the like button, and if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Love you guys. Love all my girls. Thank you for saying yes. But yeah, I will talk to you guys all soon, and bye.
What is Sharon? Oh my god!
Like months late, but
I was like, what are you doing? Hi, love.
Who are you on the phone with? Are you talking to someone?
I'm talking to my cousin.
Oh, hello. I got something for you.
Wow.